Strategic positioning, it's not just a corporate buzzword, it's the secret sauce that makes some companies unforgettable and others, well, just another option on the shelf. Let's break it down. Strategic positioning is how a company deliberately sets itself apart from competitors by creating a unique value proposition. It's about defining how you want your customers to see you, whether it's as the go-to for superior quality, exceptional service, or solving that one annoying problem no one else can. At its core, strategic positioning is how you help customers understand why they should pick your brand over others. And spoiler alert, it works best when you offer something truly unique, whether that's unbeatable value, top-notch quality, or solving your customers' biggest headaches. Now, let's explore 5 types of brand positioning that successful companies use. Number 1, value-based positioning, offering the best bang for your buck. Take IKEA, for example, a masterclass in strategic positioning. How does IKEA stand out? Through a genius trifecta: cost leadership, a DIY approach, and their immersive stores. IKEA's flat pack designs and self-service model are game changers. By letting customers pick up, transport, and assemble their furniture, IKEA cuts costs and passes those savings directly to you. And the DIY approach? It's not just practical, it's personal. They take the labor to love approach. After all, when you spent hours assembling that bookshelf, you're going to love it even more, and maybe even keep it longer. Then there's their iconic maze-like stores. With carefully designed paths, IKEA turns every visit into an adventure, encouraging you to discover things you didn't even know you needed. Plus, their late hours, in-store food, and immediate product availability make their experience seamless. IKEA is a shining example of how strategic positioning can create a brand that's not just functional, but memorable. Number 2, quality-based positioning, showcasing exceptional craftsmanship or performance. Let's talk about Apple, the gold standard in quality-based positioning. Apple's strategic positioning revolves around an unwavering commitment to superior quality, innovative design, and a seamless user experience. They don't just create products, they craft an ecosystem. Every iPhone, MacBook, and Apple Watch is designed with meticulous attention to detail, from the materials used to the intuitive software that powers them. And then there's the ecosystem. Apple devices work together seamlessly, creating a cohesive experience that locks in customer loyalty. Pair that with the prestige of owning an Apple product, and it's easy to see why millions of customers are willing to pay a premium for the brand. Number 3, benefit positioning, focusing on unique perks your customers can't get elsewhere. Let's visit Trader Joe's, the grocery store with a cult following. With TJ's, you get the benefit of having curated selection of high-quality, private label products that scream exclusivity and loyalty. TJ's is proof that you don't need endless aisles of options to stand out. Instead, they focus on a quirky branding like nautical themes and handwritten signs, making shopping there feel fun and approachable. Add in their affordable pricing, small neighborhood-style stores, and focus on unique, adventurous products, and you got a brand that's anything but ordinary. Trader Joe's is a reminder that strategic positioning isn't about being everything to everyone. It's about being exactly right for the audience you serve. Number 4, problem and solution positioning, positioning your product as the answer to a specific issue. Slack emerged as the solution to a common and frustrating issue: disjointed communication in teams. Before Slack, workplace communication often relied on a chaotic mix of emails, meetings, and scattered messaging tools. It was inefficient, time-consuming, and prone to miscommunication. Slack positioned itself as the answer to this problem, offering a streamlined platform that centralizes team communication. By allowing users to organize conversations into channels, integrate with countless productivity tools, and search past messages easily, Slack eliminates the clutter and confusion of traditional communication methods. Its tagline, "Be less busy," speaks directly to the pain point it solves, reducing workplace inefficiencies and fostering better collaboration. Slack doesn't just offer a tool, it delivers a solution that empowers teams to work smarter, faster, and with less stress. This approach has made Slack a go-to choice for businesses worldwide, proving the power of positioning your brand as the definitive answer to a specific problem. Lastly, competitor-based positioning, differentiating yourself directly against the competition. Let's look at Starbucks, the coffee giant that turned grabbing a cup of joe into a premium experience. Starbucks isn't just about coffee, it's about creating the third place between home and work. They have comfy seating, free Wi-Fi, and the aroma of freshly brewed coffee wafting through the air, thanks to their smart ventilation. Think about it, while they serve food, you never smell food, just coffee. It's pretty genius, right? They offer extensive drink customization, innovative seasonal menus, and loyalty rewards that keep customers coming back. Starbucks proves that when you combine quality, convenience, and a personal touch, you don't just build a brand, you create a movement. So, what's the lesson here? Strategic positioning shapes your brand identity, your audience, and your edge over the competition. Take a moment to think, what makes your business truly unique? Are you meeting your customers' needs better than anyone else? And most importantly, how can you refine your strategy to stay relevant in an ever-changing market? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights to help you stand out in the crowd, because in today's market, standing still is the fastest way to fall behind.